If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do a comparison of non-night sight photographs versus night sight photographs on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now if you want to install the night sight Google Pixel 3 camera APK on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, I have a separate video for that. It is linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. That being said, both the pictures are taken with Google Pixel 3 camera APK. The first picture will be without night sight, the second picture will be with night sight, and then we will have a comparison shot in which the night sight picture will be on the right of your screen. Let's get started. So that's it for this small video YouTube. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.